Hello students, good morning. In class 9 English syllabus, last year I explained chapter 3 gravitation. In this chapter I explained first three words: acceleration due to gravity or gravity, acceleration and gravitation. After this, in this chapter I explained universal law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation. Gravitation. Universal law of gravitation. There is definition given. Every object in the universe attract to each other by a force which is directly proportional to product of masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. By universal law of gravitation, we find out F, force of attraction, is equal to F equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. We had studied this formula earlier, where capital G is known as universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. Where capital G is known as universal gravitational constant. Its numerical value, capital G numerical value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. From this numerical value, all of you concluded that the unit of universal gravitational constant is Newton meter square per kilogram square. After this, in this chapter, I explained the force of gravitation act between two bodies of mass 1 kilogram and distance between them is 1 meter. Force of gravitation. Force of gravitation. Force of gravitation between two bodies of mass. Masses 1 kilogram each and distance between them between 1 meter, each 1 meter. Then calculate the force of gravitation or gravitational force. All of you see here. This you can able to tell by another name also. We can able to say this one by the force of gravitation act between two small bodies. The force of gravitation act between two small bodies, which mass is 1 kilogram and distance between them is also 1 meter. You see what numerical value we can get in this case? Given that solution, given that m1 is m2 is equal to 1 kilogram, r is equal to 1 meter, and capital G value already all of you know that's numerical value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Using universal law of gravitation, universal law of gravitation, F is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. Capital G m1 m2 r square. One more line I will write here. You see, then F is equal to 6.67 into 1 upon 1 meter square. Then this is also meter square, and here kg square, and this value, leave it this one, I will write in Newton. Then the value of F we obtained here 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton. All of you think about this numerical value, which one I have calculated here. This numerical value is very, very small. 10 to the power minus 11. That's why small body, which one act in this universe, the force of gravitation we are not able to experience. Because this numerical value is very small. But the force of gravitation act between 1 kilogram mass kept on the surface of Earth. You see in this case, what your numerical values come? Force of gravitation. Next, between big object and small object. You can able to say this one by the name of force of gravitation act between a big body and a small body. Force of gravitation between Earth and 1 kilogram mass and 1 kilogram mass body kept on the surface of Earth. You see here, this is the Earth, and we kept 1 kilogram mass here. Then what is the force of gravitation between these two bodies? Force of gravitation between these two bodies. You see solution of this question. How we can find out? Given that m1 is equal to 1 kilogram, m2 is equal to mass of Earth 6 into 10 to the power 24 kilogram, and distance between them, radius of Earth r is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 3 kilometer or 6 meter. Using universal law of gravitation, using universal we can get there? F is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. Capital G m1 m2 by r square. See our value I will put here 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into m1 1 into 6.6 into 10 to the power 24 upon 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 whole square Newton. When you simplify, then this value we will get here 9.8 Newton. What we can get the values of this one? 9.8 Newton. Means the force of attraction act between the body of mass 1 kilogram on the surface of Earth is 9.8 meter per second square. You see, this chart I get here and the Earth, which one gravitational force act between them is 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. This force act on the chalk also and on the Earth also. But the acceleration produced in chalk only is greater as compared to the acceleration produced in the Earth. Why? Because acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass of body. Mass of Earth is very high as compared to the mass of this chalk. Then which one acceleration produced in the chalk? That is the greater, very high than the acceleration produced in the Earth. Very high as compared to the acceleration produced in the Earth. Clear all of you? Yesterday one numerical problem I solved, and that's what I said. I will all of you saying sir, voice is not very clear and so many confusions are you are telling. Sir, video pause and this that. That's why this video here I made. One that numerical problem also I saw. Studying that numerical problem, I am taking the values. Distance between them is 1.2 into 10 power 3 kilometer, and here I will take the distance between them is 1.5 into 10 power 3 kilometer. You see, calculate force of gravitation. 1 minute, that question I will write. Maybe here present. Maybe that is present here. 1 minute. See, this is student's question. Calculate the force of gravitation between the Earth and Sun, given that mass of Earth is 6 into 10 power 24 kilogram, mass of Sun is 2 into 10 power 30 kilogram. The average distance between them is 1.5 into 10 power 11 meter. You see solution of this question. Given that m1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kilogram, m2 is equal to 6 into 10 power 24, 10 to the power 24 kilogram, r distance between them 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter given here. You can check it, and capital G value all of you know that 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. Using universal law of gravitation, gravitation, universal of gravitation, F is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square, m1 m2 by r square. When we value, we can put here 1 minute, that is too much side. F is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square, capital G 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, m1 2 into 10 to the power 24, sorry 13 into m2 6 into 10 to the power 24 upon r square 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter square. Here only I will write Newton. Newton I will write. When we simplify them, then what we can get there? Calculation all of you see here. I will write here. After this, this value when comes here 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 minus 11. First you add the plus 1, 30 plus 24, 54 minus 11. Then what we can get there? Minus 11, 54 minus 11, 43. 10 to the power 43 into what remain there? 2 6 12. In denominator you can check here. At 12 we can write first into 12 into 10 to the power 43 upon in denominator you see here 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 22 Newton. Again you will use here the formula a to the power m to the power a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A to the power m minus n. Then 43 minus 22. When you will do, then you get the values of this one. 6 into if we can divide this one, I will divide also. 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15.5. Again, this is possible, no possible of division. You see here 4 I will multiply here. 4 7 are 28. 2 carry. 4 6 are 24. 25 26. 2 24 26. Into 10 to the power 43 minus 22 upon 75.75 Newton. 0.75 Newton. Then we will get here. If decimal we replace or decimal we can change here. Then we can write 26.68 by 75 into 10 to the power 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 2 that is 2 Newton. When we can simplify this, then our numerical value will come here 35.6 into 10 to the power 21 Newton, and this is equal to 3.56 into 10 to the power 22 Newton. Like then in this video only this much students. Next today I will explain your in live classes. If anyone doubts then you can tell me. Okay students, thank you.